At the University of Nebraska, we've developed 3D software that visually detects structural damage. Our software uses pattern recognition to create 3D renderings of entire structures and highlight damaged areas. It can detect damage in various types of structures, including multi-story buildings, bridges, and vehicles.
Right now, visual inspections are subjective, dependent on lighting conditions, and potentially dangerous. To address these limitations, our software uses data gathered from remote sensing technology, including drones and LiDAR. This allows inspectors to stay at a safe distance away from structure, which is especially important after natural disasters. We've used this software to detect structural damage after tornadoes, earthquakes, and hurricanes, as well as normal wear and tear.
The overall goal of our work is to modernize structural inspections by making them more objective and safe.